Hey guys, today I got some PR for you from Madam Glam. So let's go ahead and get into this kit. Look at the aesthetic of this box. Isn't that sleek? I love it. I think it's awesome. And it's sealed very well. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the contents of this box. Ooh, look at the foam on the insulation in this box. That's definitely gonna protect the items inside. Look at this cute little lamp. I did not know that they were going to send me a lamp. Oh, this is cute. Thank you so much. Let's see what we have inside. Oh, okay. So, of course, it's going to start with the booklet. It's going to tell us everything we need to know and all the instructions and a little bit about Madam Glam. See that? Also sign up for your VIP membership. Don't forget they offer that. And here's the little lamp. Oh, this is so cute. It has this little legs on it that you can either use up or down. I like that. It provides little holes in it for the UV lights to go through. And of course the little charging wire. Look at how cute that box was. Now here is the box I knew was coming. And on the inside, they asked me to choose 3 colors. And oh, they included awesome. We got base coat and top coat included. But I chose these 3 colors. So we have sugar cookie. And I'm going to go ahead and show you that and swatch it for you. Look at the consistency. That's pretty awesome. And this is a hollow gel. Look at the sparkle on that. I did think it was going to be a little more blue because the picture on the website, it was a more blue hollow, but this one is pretty silver. And that's just one single coat on the swatch stick. That is full coverage. Sugar cookie. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Our next color is a pearlescent and it is called Goddess. Look at that viscosity. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this color. You can see the pearl in there just a little bit. Of course, you know the cameras, they never do them justice. Now, this one came through as more sheer, which you'll be able to see here. So, I mean, if you like that coat, then awesome. If not, then you can apply a second coat, kind of if you want it to be more dark. I just went ahead and did 2 coats, but I did like the first one. Being the more sheer, it would kind of give you that little, the pearlescent finish on top of your nails. Look how pretty that is. Goddess. And then we have Top Secret, which I love. This is from their glass line, or most people know them as jelly. And I love this. Look at that. This goes on like a dream. It's perfect. This is exactly what I was hoping it would be. Exactly what I was hoping it would. See, you can see through that. It's jelly. Ooh, Top Secret. This was worth it. I love it. So here we have the base gel. Awesome. It's not too thick. I like them when they're more loose. That way they give you a nice thin, even coat. And here's the top coat. That one's a little more thicker. And we're going to use that on all of the swatches. And yes, I did have that grammatical error with more thicker. Sorry, don't judge. Okay guys, Madam Glam is also animal cruelty free and vegan. If you want to save 30% off, make sure you go to their site and enter the code you see on the screen right there. You will save yourself some money. Everybody's down for that, trust me. So, this is the set that I used, and what I'm going to use on this set is going to be the builder gel. I'm going to use some black from Medusa, and then we have the sugar cookie, and of course my favorite is the Top Secret glass. And I'm going to paint this on all of the nails because I wanted to, versus just leaving one nail unpainted with it. I wanted it on all of them. So since I have shown you the product list and we went over the Madam Glam products, please stay tuned and watch the whole video for the design. And also, again, if you would like to save 30% on Madam Glam, use my code. It's provided in the description box along with it was on the screen. I'll put it again at the end for you. I really hope you enjoyed this, and I definitely recommend getting some Madam Glam if you have not already. It's well worth it. They do have a VIP discount club that you can sign up for. If you're going to be buying a lot of Madam Glam, definitely sign up for that. It will also save you some money in the end, and we all know we all want to save. So head on over to Madam Glam and do that. I will leave a link in the description box below and also provide it at the end as well. And I hope you guys enjoy the set. Super appreciate you guys watching like always, and go get some Madam Glam and use my code.